Installation instructions for FRIASAFE. Always mount both hook spanners outside the construction pit. Extend the hook spanners to the fitting length first. Mount the hook spanners into the existing embossments. Note the screw of the hook spanner and the fixation locks point in the same direction. Tighten the hook spanners slightly until the extension arms are fit flush. Clean the surface. Mark the insertion depth on the pipe. Remove the protective caps and push over the fitting. Prepare and align the appropriate counterpart for repair as well. Position the connector over the pipes. Please note the minimum insertion depths. First, tighten the connector on the larger pipe using a suitable tool on the small bolt head on the hook spanner. Now repeat the tightening of the hook spanner on the smaller pipe. For easiest installation experience, always place the hook spanners as horizontally as possible. Tighten the connector to torque with both hook spanners using a torque wrench. Tighten the fixation locks slightly flush with the housing. Fully tighten the fixation locks with a torque wrench. Open the screws on the hook spanners in the large nut, and then carefully remove the hook spanners afterwards cautiously. Shorten straps of the fixation locks with supplied cutter if necessary. The installation of the connector is now finished.